Should you buy precious metal stocks like GLD and SLV? Here's why I won't. Hey everyone, welcome to Campbell's Coins. I receive a lot of great questions from viewers in the comment section, many of which warrant their own video response. This is one such comment. Aaron writes, "Hi Campbell, what's your opinion on short-term trading of PM stocks in addition to stacking? I'm pretty sure you aren't into trading PM stocks, but I'm curious about the reasons why you think it's not a good idea if one also stacks too." This is an excellent question, Aaron. For those who don't know, you can trade gold and silver on the stock exchange under GLD and SLV. These are ETFs, exchange traded funds. An ETF is a type of pooled investment security that tracks a particular segment of the economy, like commodities. Unlike mutual funds, these ETFs can be purchased and sold on a stock exchange like a regular stock. And you're absolutely right. I don't own GLD and SLV, and I never have. And there are a few big reasons why I won't. The biggest reason I won't own GLD and SLV is I'm giving my cash to banks for the promise of something. These banks and trusts hold the physical precious metals. I hold the faintest promise of getting these metals. Meanwhile, I'm paying for their storage fees and a host of other fees and charges while not holding on to a single physical ounce on my end. This is somewhat similar to precious metal vault services, although those are less insidious. Another reason I won't own these ETFs is it's a manipulated marketplace. Many bankers have been sent to prison, fined hundreds of millions of dollars for this price manipulation called spoofing. The fines paid by these banks are paltry to how much they make in the manipulation of their trade. So they keep doing it. Yes, stocks are manipulated to an extent too, but this is one reason why I won't trade PM stocks. Another point in the manipulation line is this is an over-leveraged market. More gold and silver is traded on the market than exists in physical form on the COMEX or LBMA. It's estimated that the COMEX has 9.2 million ounces, but they trade hundreds of millions of ounces every single day. They are making bets on amounts that don't exist. One vault listed that they had around 37 million ounces as of 2019, but who really knows? No third-party verification is actually done, and those are just estimates because we don't actually know how much physical gold and silver the COMEX, the LBMA, or any other type of vault service actually holds. Along the lines of over-leveraged, ETFs are a leverage in general, especially the gold and silver ETFs. Now, I have not traded futures contracts before, so I could be, I think I might have done oil. So I could be wrong about this, how I'm viewing and understanding this prospectus. A gold contract costs $178.55 for control of 100 troy ounces. A silver contract costs $19.81 for 5,000 troy ounces. These are market rates as of March 16, 2023. A $178 gold contract is controlling $192,000 worth of gold in the physical market. That's highly leveraged. The actual owner of all these shares of GLD and SLV is DTC, Depository Trust Company. They are the custodian. They allow these shares to be purchased by authorized participants. This boils down to you don't have access and you have no ownership over any of these physical metals. In the contract it says you can cash out for precious metals, but what you have to really read into is you have to meet specific requirements. They can easily change this contract for cash and not give you any physical metal, especially if the COMEX and LBMA are strapped for metals. It's happened before, it'll happen again. Ultimately, it is your cash and you should be free to do whatever you want with it. Just know what you're getting into before you invest your hard-earned cash. And this goes for anything out there. Anything that is having you bet on something that exceeds the physical stock is a scam, in my opinion. I simply don't like contributing to a highly manipulated marketplace. These bank failures should be a big wake-up call for folks. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. I put the GLD Perspectus in the video description if you want to look it over more. It is written in such a way that your eyes will cross. Just a heads up there. Your time is your most precious asset, and I appreciate you spending it here with me. Thank you all for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.